Hey there, artists! Today you'll learn how to draw your very own Formula One race car with bold lines, big wheels, and all the speed-packed details that make it look like it's zooming off the page. Add your own team colors or racing number to make it totally yours. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. For this project, you'll need a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, a thin black marker, and a few crayons. You may also look for a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. Here's how you can make your own center guidelines on your paper. Place a ruler near the top and make a mark at 5.5 inches. Do the same at the bottom of the paper. Then use the ruler to draw a line to connect them. After that, place your ruler vertically on one side and make a mark at the 4.25 inch spot. Do the same on the other side. And when those are in place, line them up with the ruler and draw your line across. I like to hold it down with one hand and make a line through both of them with the other. Just in case you're learning how to work with a ruler, that's how it's done. Let's start with the main shape of the car, which I think looks kind of like a big piece of candy corn. So make 2 marks like I'm doing here to plan the size. Draw a line that goes up and comes down to the point on the left, and then go back and draw the same kind of shape on the other side. The helmet of the race car driver can be added now. It's a large oval that's halfway into the car shape. Be sure to erase the line inside when you're done. Then finish up that helmet with a curved mask shape that's attached to the left side. Place your pencil on the back of the helmet and draw down to make the opening space of the car. And when that's done, then add a simple neck underneath the helmet and just a couple of curves for the shoulders for the driver. To make the really wide car tires, we need to start with a circle that's just barely overlapping the car body. Then draw a horizontal line at top and on the bottom and connect those with a curve that matches your circle. When that's done, erase the line inside so this new tire looks like it's in front of the car body. That wheel can be finished off now with a smaller circle inside. The front wheel is drawn the same way, it's just overlapping the car body a little bit more. So start with that circle, add those straight lines that go across at the top and the bottom, and the matching curved line, and then erase the line inside. And of course, this wheel needs a circle inside too. For the front left wheel, draw part of a circle like I'm doing here, the straight line at the top, the curved line that comes around, and the straight line at the bottom. We can also see a little bit of that smaller circle inside this wheel too. That large back wheel is mostly hidden, so we can just draw it with a curve like this. To add the rear wing of the car, let's keep it simple and draw an oval that's kind of tilted on the side, a couple of lines across for the bar, and then a smaller oval behind that. That bar is now connected with the shape on the right side that's made of 2 curves and a smaller version of that shape on the left side. To draw the front wing of your car, start with a small oval, connect it to the car with a bar, and then erase any lines inside. That same kind of shape is drawn on the left, starting with the bar, and then the oval, and then we need to erase any lines inside that. Now you can get a little creative and think of the number you want your race car driver to have. Draw it as a big block number and finish with an oval around it. Finally, do your best to add that number to the front of the car, starting with a block number and again an oval around it. Okay, our drawing is done, so it's time to get out that thin black marker and trace over all our pencil lines so we can see them really well. After the tracing is done, if there are any pencil lines still showing, now is a really good time to erase them. Now it's time to get out those crayons, so decide what color your car is going to be. The wheels are black, and you can get this kind of look by pressing really hard on the side of the wheel and then pressing lighter on the circle part. I recommend using the marker to fill in your number so that it gets nice and dark. Choose a color for the inside circle of your wheel, and then something bright for the helmet of your car driver and the clothes that they are wearing. I'm going to finish with a little squiggle of blue for that mask. Okay, our race car drawing is done. I do hope this project sparked your excitement for drawing vehicles and gives you some new confidence in adding your own creative twists. If you enjoyed this lesson, then check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, where you'll find more transportation tutorials, including one for a fire truck and one for a police car. I hope you give them a try too, and I hope you keep on drawing. See you next time.